Today, let's dive in Fotor.com. That's what people using today, a new AI platform.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to explore a very cool AI platform called Fotor. I know I already covered many cool AI platforms before, right? But Fotor is something else. I think I love Fotor because it's so easy to use and the interface is quite nice, not like the other AI platforms. They might have good technology, but the user experience is terrible. But Fotor is quite different. And not to mention, you can actually use different tools here. For example, you can create a design or start to add a photo, and even AI image generator, enhance photo, remove background, photo to art, everything you name it. You can click this blue icon and sign up by Google accounts. And here is our dashboard. So in Fotor, we have many entry points above and many entry points aside. For example, like the AI photo and AI videos. And you can generate cool videos by latest models, even make a talking avatar, or different tools for different scenarios. That's so cool. But today, I want to introduce something quite different. That is agent Sisi. What is Sisi? Sisi is the AI agent of the Fotor because Sisi is the most easy way to use AI if you don't want to spend a minute to learn it. So beneath here, we have many tutorials for you to learn how to use Sisi. Like you can generate a movie by Sisi, or you can editing your background of your photo and play around with a multi-reference image generation. Not mention if you have a photo that with many tourists, you can remove them. And beneath there are many artworks that are made by the community by using Sisi. Oh, I love this one. So you can even check the prompts that the user currently using and the result that Sisi given. That's quite amazing, right? Can't wait. Let's try it out. So first, let's try my prompt. Let's try to generate an image by Sisi. So my prompt is to generate a 90s Japanese animated cool girl on mobile bag in black. If you're tired typing, you can even use your voice by click this button. And you can actually talk with Sisi about the art piece you want to generate. But here, let's click this blue button. Wow, that is exactly what I want. But I want something like the 2D style, right? So can we modify this? And I want to change the aspect ratio of this image. Yeah, that's more like it, right? And since we already have this nice image, can we download it? Of course. So you can click the edit button, go to the image editor, and you can download from here. And also you can try to use different tools of the Fotor, for example, like the AI upscaler or magic eraser to remove everything you don't want in the picture, and even remove the background, but I need background to be honest. And let's going back, and I want to make it into actually animation, so let's try to use this. Wow, that's so dope, right? You can click here to download this video. So we actually go very far from this one, right? We change the aspect ratio and change the style and even make a video. Hey, how about to make a 3D character? So let me type the prompt. I want to make a 3D character, a cool girl with a gun, white hair in cyberpunk age, CT, and the aspect ratio is 16:9. And this is what we got. Wow, it's so cool, right? And check it out, the quality is quite amazing. But I think something is missing. Maybe a little bit vibe. How about add a pink high-tech glasses? Yeah, let's type that. All right, I'm typing add a pink high-tech glasses to the girl. And Sisi is thinking. Here we go. Let's check out the result. Wow, that's so dope. Seems like we can install many image editing tool. Maybe, yeah, I think this is quite nice, and Sisi can help us to edit. That's so crazy. And I still want to make a faster movement. For example, like put a little smile on the face of this girl, right? So can we do that by Sisi? Yes, I think we can. Let's type the prompt. Okay, here we go. Check out the result. Wow, we put a little bit smile on the face of this girl, right? That's so dope. I think the vibe is correct, just like what I imagined. And now it's time to make this into a nice video, right? We want to make a sci-fi movie. So let's type the prompt. Here we go. Let's check the final works. Wow, that's crazy. Wow, that's so dope. From a static image, and we added with pink glasses and put a little bit smile. And finally, we have this nice video, and you can download from here and make your movie. That's so crazy, right? That's totally changed the way we create video and images. And this is not all Sisi can do. Let's try another case. So here you can also change the languages. For example, if you don't speak English, you can change from here. And also we have some help menu from here. For example, you can change the language to Japanese or Chinese, and you can join the Discord of the Fotor. Hey, what about design a poster by Sisi? Can we do that? Let me upload one of my portraits here and let's type the prompt saying like if we want to do a meetup of my YouTuber with my friends, and I need to have my portraits on the poster, and then I need to have my channel name and also the name of the activity there. And can we do that? Also, I want to add a YouTube vibe. Oh, we have our result. Let's click to check the details. Wow, that's so dope. The characters are correct. I got my activity name, City Meetup, and my YouTuber name, James G YouTube channel. And the character is correct, a little bit prettier than my actually looks, but I think this is okay, right? And we have the nice dark YouTube studio background. That's so cool. I like it. Let me send it to my Instagram. So in general, Sisi can help us with the generations of the images and the videos. Also can design stuff for us. That's so dope. All right, let's upload another image. Let's click here from computer. I just upload a lion image, and let's type the prompt. Let's click the blue button. Yeah, this is how we do it, right? So we just give an image, then we convert to something else. That's so cool, and we can even animate it. Okay, so much fun with the photo, right? I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.